Dancehall music has long been a genre defined by competition, lyrical clashes, and the pursuit of dominance. At the heart of this battle for supremacy stands Beenie Man, a veteran of the industry who has, for decades, referred to himself as the king of dancehall. While Beenie Man's influence on the genre is undeniable, his persistent need to defend this title, especially against Vybz Kartel, may be doing more harm than good to his legacy. Emerging as a child star in the early 1980s, Beenie Man gained prominence in the 1990s with a string of hit songs, including Who Am I, Girls Dem Sugar, and Romy. His ability to blend infectious melodies with hardcore dancehall lyrics made him one of the most versatile artists of his time. His dominance during this period was solidified with his Grammy-winning album, Art and Life, in the year 2000, and a consistent presence on the international stage. By the early 2000s, Beenie Man had positioned himself as the undisputed leader of dancehall, with his self-proclaimed title of king largely accepted by fans and industry insiders alike.